What is proof of fund? Now, proof of fund is that money that you present to the embassy to show that you have enough money to cover your trip. And most of the time, it doesn't just stop there. Enough money to cover your trip and excess that you can look forward to when you come back to your country. This is where most people make the mistake. So if your trip is going to cost you about 2 million naira, and if all you have in that account is 2 million, the chances of you getting that visa will be slim, in the sense that if you spend all your last card on vacation, why should they give you the visa? Because you have nothing to fall back on when you come back to your country. This is why before applying for any visa, ensure you have enough money in your account that will cover your trip and still excess. So that way the embassy will feel that you have more reasons to come back to your country. Let me give you an example how to build a 6-month or a 3-month statement depending on the embassy. The first you have to do is this: always ensure that every money that comes into your account, especially salaries, or if you're a business person, every money that comes into your account, you don't expend or you don't spend everything before the end of the month. So which means if you earn like 200,000 per month, make sure you spend part of that money, not all, every other month. For example, if your salary is 200,000, maybe this month you spend like 100, you still have 100,000 left. Maybe next month you spend like 50, you still have 150,000 left. Maybe another month you spend like 70, you still have like 130,000 left. Now, after doing this for a few months, you can now present this money. And for example, if your total bill for the trip is going to cost about 1.5, it makes sense to have like 2.5. In fact, going forward, any embassy you're applying to, make sure you have minimum of at least 3 million. That way you'll be able to show enough funding to not just cover your trip, it covers your trip and it's still remaining excess to come back to when you come back from that particular trip. That way it will give you a higher chance of getting that visa. If you find this video useful, follow me for more so that you get more updates like this. See you next time. Bye.